Hey everyone, so I came across this new hack. I want to try it out. If it works, guys, sure, do it for yourselves as well. Okay, so what you'll need, the one thing that I usually don't use is a pencil and then your concealer and your brush. So, what was you start from the tip up here, go down all the way there, and then all the way there. Then you attach like that, and then like that. Yo, it works. Then you just fill it in. Otoku shade, shading. And because this is a pencil, you'll need to clean the edges. Okay, I'm using Jackie Megiddo's, it's actually an eye pencil, but I'm using it as a brow pencil. Brow pencil will be much more dryish. This is more oily. This is just for purposes for me to show you that if it works. And by the way, in a work, then the usual cleaning the brow. And voila. Then you can clean up here. Go nice and clean. The hack works. The hack works. Awesome. Till next time. Mwah.